If you're serious about fishing, you already know this. Your reel can literally make or break the whole experience. A good one feels smooth, casts better, and, honestly, just makes fishing way more fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, we're checking out the top 5 best fishing reels. I've picked 5 reels that stand out for different reasons. So, yeah, there should be something here for almost every kind of angler. Okay, so let's get into it. Number 1. Okuma Ceymar A Spinning Reel. Okuma Ceymar A Spinning Reel is a lightweight and versatile reel designed for smooth, everyday fishing. It features the flight drive system, which helps reduce friction and gives you a smoother retrieve. You also get 7 BB plus 1 RB bearings, a corrosion-resistant body, a machined aluminum spool, and a solid aluminum bail wire. It comes in multiple sizes, so you can choose one for light, freshwater fishing or heavier applications. Pros: smooth retrieve, lightweight design, flight drive system, corrosion-resistant body, good build quality, multiple sizes, good value for the money. Cons: the drag system isn't the most premium. Larger sizes can feel a bit heavy, not ideal if you want a high-end premium reel. Overall, the Okuma Ceymar A is a solid, reliable, and affordable spinning reel. If you want good performance without spending too much, it's definitely worth considering. Number 2. Daiwa BG Spinning Reel. Daiwa BG Spinning Reel is a popular and durable reel, especially for anglers who want a strong setup for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. It features a solid aluminum body, a machined aluminum handle, and Daiwa's digigear system for smooth and powerful operation. The waterproof drag system also helps provide reliable drag performance when fighting bigger fish. It comes in multiple sizes, so you can choose a smaller reel for light fishing or a larger one for heavier applications. Pros: strong and durable build, smooth retrieve, powerful drag, good for freshwater and saltwater, multiple sizes, reliable performance, great value for the money. Cons: a little heavier than some modern lightweight reels, the design feels more traditional, not the best choice if you want an ultralight setup. Overall, the Daiwa BG is a tough, dependable spinning reel that offers excellent durability and power for the price. If you want a reel that can handle regular use and bigger fish, the Daiwa BG is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Shimano Stradic FL Spinning Reel. Shimano Stradic FL Spinning Reel is a premium spinning reel built for anglers who want smooth performance, excellent durability, and reliable operation. It features Shimano's Micro Module 2 gearing and long-stroke spool, which help provide a very smooth retrieve and better casting performance. The Hagane body also gives it a strong and rigid feel without being overly bulky. Pros: very smooth retrieve, excellent build quality, strong and reliable, great casting performance, powerful drag, premium feel, good for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Cons: more expensive than many mid-range reels, slightly heavier than some newer lightweight models, may be overkill for casual anglers. Overall, the Shimano Stradic FL is a high-quality spinning reel that focuses on smoothness, durability, and long-term performance. If you want a premium reel and don't mind paying more, this is definitely one to consider. Number 4. PENN Fierce 4 Spinning Reel. PENN Fierce 4 Spinning Reel is a tough and reliable reel designed for anglers who need solid performance without spending too much. It features a full metal body and side plate, HT100 carbon fiber drag system, and a 4+1 bearing system for smooth operation. It's also built to handle both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Pros: strong metal construction, powerful HT100 drag, smooth retrieve, good saltwater capability, durable design, multiple sizes, good value for the money. Cons: heavier than some lightweight reels, the retrieve may not feel as refined as premium reels, fewer bearings than some competitors. Overall, the PENN Fierce 4 is a strong, dependable reel for anglers who want durability and power at a reasonable price. If you're targeting bigger fish and want a reel that can take some abuse, this is definitely worth considering. Number 5. PENN Slammer 4 Spinning Reel. PENN Slammer 4 Spinning Reel is a heavy-duty spinning reel designed for anglers who need serious power, durability, and strong saltwater performance. It features a full metal body, CNC gear technology, and PENN's sealed slammer drag system, which helps protect the reel from water and keeps the drag smooth under pressure. The IPX6 sealed body and spool also make it a strong choice for demanding saltwater fishing. Pros: very durable build, powerful sealed drag, excellent saltwater protection, strong gearing, smooth performance, great for bigger fish, multiple sizes available. Cons: heavier than many modern spinning reels, more expensive than entry-level options, may be overkill for light freshwater fishing. Overall, the PENN Slammer 4 is built for anglers who want a tough reel that can handle big fish and harsh conditions. If durability and saltwater performance are your priorities, this is a very strong choice.